Good morning. I'm Wong Yong An. Just finished my internship at Popular in Penang. Finally, I have completed my internship at Popular Queen's Bay Mall. The operation time is start from 10:30 a.m. to 10:30 p.m. Popular is a retail industry established in year 1984. These are the vision and mission of Popular Book Company. The top 3 services of Popular are to be friendly, to be professionally, and ever ready. So, what is our Popular slogan? We greet, we smile, we serve. What is our service culture? It's let me help you. Our service motto is everybody is my customer, my job is to help my customer. There are 4 departments in Popular, which are Stationery, Revision, Chinese, English and Malay department. I have been assigned to Revision department. Miss Ramla is my supervisor who always guide me in the right way. There are several job scopes that I involved in Popular. I am responsible to become a sales assistant. Apart from selling books, I also involved in keeping the store tidy and assist customers. Besides, I have to make sure the promotion campaign is run smoothly. Also, I need to handle for checking stock, storing and receiving deliveries. Next, my implementation of tasks include the promotion campaign, receiving stock, stock return, and SAP system. First, I have been assigned to assist in the promotion campaigns such as Best of the Best promotion, Pop Club promotion, World Book Day promotion, and so on. Thus, I am required to understand all the promotion items in detail. Moreover, my responsibility is to double-check promotion listing and make sure the promotion items display at the right place. Nevertheless, the place that display promotion item must exactly same as the poster so that customers do not confuse about the promotion items. Another best experience I gained in Popular is through receiving stock, which involves 6 steps. First, supervisor of department are assigned to record once received the shipment, followed by matching with the PO and invoice. Then proceed to goods receipt. Lastly, unpack the carton and do tagging and display at the book. In Table 3.2 show details of daily receiving record and followed by the net tab that we require to paste on the SJK books. Furthermore, my responsibility for stock return for first is to print out the return listing, then take out all the books from bookshelf as according to the return record quantity. Step 3, I will put the books return to the carton and proceed for return purchase order. Then get the return goods receipt from my supervisor. Lastly, wait for the transporter come and pick up the cartons sent to consignee. In this table show that the daily living need to be recorded. Finally, the carton is packed and ready to be sent to consignee. Popular is using system application and product to run their day-to-day operations. This system helps to store huge data and information of the group and individual subsidiary. Also, it helps recognizing every stock keeping unit and procedure of ordering process, return process, and stock transfer process. The problems that I encounter are rejected books return, limited place of books display, customer complaint, and communication problems. This picture shows that the rejected of books returned from Tunas Pelangi due to the price tag mark issue. So, The solution taken by me to avoid this issue is replacing the net tag instead of using the price tag. This is because net tags are smaller size compared with the price tag and also can reduce price tag mark. Also, solution that taken by publisher is through printing the SJK revision books that already show the net price. The best solution is we will only paste net tag for all the books that do not have price display. Customers ask for books availability, then I will use SAP system to check the books at nearest outlet. If customer want to pre-order, their details will be recorded, while issue for missing pages will be solved by replace the same books to the customers. Next problem solved when the books display like this. Also, Penang Chinese people mostly their main dialect is Hokkien. Because of this, I having a huge communication problem due to I am not fluent in Hokkien. So, I will say sorry at first, then request them to explain in Mandarin or English. Through this training, I am able to familiarize about the real working world. Next, my communication skills also have been improved. Also, I gain knowledge and experience which related to my majoring in retailing. Lastly, my ability to solve problems also have been improved. The main weakness I found throughout the entire training period are my emotion problem in handling problematic customers, and I was lack of communication among staff from the different departments. Popular helped to build my future career by giving me an opportunity to become supervisor in Chinese department once I finish my internship. Lastly, workplace conflict is become common in an organization. I always try to be kind and nice to everyone. However, sometimes how we behave might not liked by some people. Another issue is most of the employer think that practical training mean a cheap labor for them. My suggestion is Popular should establish structured training program. This is due to supervisor is always busy with their own work. Second, Popular should increase employee knowledge by arranging them to be involved in every department. Third, contact customer through WhatsApp or message on books that wanted. Lastly, the store layout at revision department should be changed. My suggestion is combine table 3 and 4 as shown in this picture in order to get wider place for customer or workers to pass by. In conclusion, I have learned a lot of knowledge and experience at Popular. I feel glad because I was able to know more about the real working condition and practice.